Hi, my name is Jessie Lane Lee and I'm a sugaraholic. Being a sugar fiend runs in my family. We've been known to eat dessert for breakfast, and for us, no meal is ever complete without a sweet treat at the end. For the longest time, sugar didn't bother me, and I could eat as much sugar as I wanted. But then it started catching up with me, and I started experiencing candida symptoms, and I knew something had to change. I started cutting down the amount of sugar I was eating and playing around with the recipes I used using alternative sweeteners. I had so much fun doing this. I was writing down all these recipes, and now I'm so excited because I get to share them with you in my new ebook, Healthy Dairy-Free Desserts. Healthy Dairy-Free Desserts contains over 25 holistically delicious dessert recipes. A lot of them are my own recipes, but I also have a bunch in there from other holistic nutritionists. All of these recipes were tested by a group of 30 testers to make sure that they are foolproof and really good, and you couldn't tell that they are healthy. All of the recipes in this ebook are made with whole food ingredients, so they don't contain any processed sugar, processed flour, soy, and of course they don't have any dairy. In addition, a lot of them are also paleo, vegan, and gluten-free, and a lot of the ingredients are very easy to find in your regular grocery store. Healthy Dairy-Free Desserts also contains tons of valuable information. I talk about my top 5 alternative sweeteners, why I love them, how I use them, and how you can use them in your baking. In addition, I have lots of information about healthy baking substitutes for things that a lot of people are allergic to, like milk, eggs, butter, and chocolate. I also have information on when the best time is to enjoy your dessert. And every recipe comes with a picture, so you know what the final product's gonna look like. So if you're a sugaraholic and you wanna have your cake and eat it too, then this ebook is for you. Pick up a copy for less than the price of 2 fancy cupcakes at jessielanewellness.com/healthy dairy-free desserts. Thanks so much for watching. Less than the price of a box of macaroons. The gym membership you're gonna need after you eat tons of cookies. Less than the price of a box of fancy cookies. 2 raw chocolate bars from Giddy Yo-Yo, which I love. Less than the price of a cheesecake. Of a dozen delicious macaroons. Of a whole cake. Less of... The words are losing all meaning.